it's me, Hope. Today, I have a special guest. His name is Poopy Dog. It's my guest. And those popping, snapping your fingers. And then these ones are bigger ones, so for older people. And my dad still gives me. Like these ones. Those are the ones for kids, actually. See? Like that. Yeah, I could have got scared. If you step on your fingers, 100%, I'm telling you, it did not hurt. Like, I'm kidding. I'm not kidding. Sorry, I'm not kidding. It does not hurt. He's just like kind of. Oh, did. Why? I do them with my fingers all the time. Try these ones. Goodness gracious. Oh, it's already open apparently. Mama, come here. I don't know how to use these ones. Oh, that one broke my ears.
You'll blow your foot off. Those are very dangerous.
They're very loud too. I'm gonna. Where can I?
Don't do them back here. You're going to make a mess.
Okay. I'll do them. Ready? I'll do right here. Let's stare. Ready? That's so
They're very dangerous.
Why are they so loud? Very loud. Stick with these ones. Seriously. Because those ones hurt. I'm going to see how many it takes to make that sound. Of probably a ton. Just a lot. Ready? Not even close. Like, seriously, not even close. Wait, just show it. I just that flew all the way there. If you saw that, comment down below. And once I get a bigger channel, I'll be selling away fidget spinners. And you're gonna have to email me to light here. Apparently we have to light his butt. Light, it says light here. It's gonna be backwards. Doing another one. Okay, I'll show you what these look like. Take a look at that. Ready? Then pop. Okay guys, I'm gonna be very, very careful. So if I stop on this one. It's not good. I found it. Ready? You guys, if this makes a sound, don't be afraid. Be prepared, peace. There we go. That's better. They're very loud. Ready? Gotta do these ones again. Pew, 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 pew. Be right back. Okay, guys, I didn't find it. That's okay. They are kind of scary anyways. What I've found so far. And then this one. A poopy dog. A poopy dog. If I'm talking low, because I don't want my sister here to find out. Because she's like, why are you doing this? I'm like, because I can. Is that a problem? So like you, pew, and blow up. Especially with these ones. Sorry, I'm not showing you which ones I'm using. Should I do something? Here we go. Oh God, no, it's not. Best idea. Okay. I'm gonna use some of these ones. Never put them together. Oh no, so pop those by my hair. We're gonna do another one. Another one. Ready? Double the loud. The loud house. Okay, it is too. Gonna blow my ears apart. Should not do that. Okay, these ones have like rocks inside. So if you like tear it open, like, but I don't know how they pop in your hands. No. Be right back. I'm gonna get my dad to light this, but dude. Guys, I'm going to be right back. If you guys see something, sorry. I'm sorry, but we can't let you see this because I don't want my parents to. I don't want to get embarrassed either. Well. Sorry. Be back, and I'll tell you what happened. Okay. Love y'all. Okay, I'm back. That was so funny. It's like, here's the dog, and the poop's coming out. Like, it looked like real poop. But, I mean, like, it's like when it was done, you would put your finger right through it, it would go right through. It was cool. If you guys, like, you know, video or do anything like that, like vlog, when you're doing it in public, don't people like stare at you? See my sister, she's like, oh my God, what the heck are you doing? I'm like, whatever I can do. Crap! Lost another one. Ready? Right now. Where do you want to go now? How about I call Brooklyn? Brooklyn. She's my friend. Remember last video? She was here's name. So be right back. Hi Brooklyn. I'm vlogging. You're gonna have to say hello really loud. No, say it one more time. One more time. Louder. Why? Okay. They might not have been able to hear you. Okay, one sec. She's watching SpongeBob. I didn't let them see your number, so you're good. What you doing? This one's gonna be called fireworks. What? No, the title of this one is going to be called what they call fireworks. The YouTube channel is called Crazy Girls. But the title is on this. I can hear SpongeBob. Yeah. I gotta go. If that's okay. I gotta go. Okay? Bye. Okay. So I just called my friend. Sorry. Sorry. I think I was still in school. Comment down below if you like to do fireworks a lot. That was today's question. See ya, y'all. Bye.